Wear gloves to avoid hand injuries during operation. Place the clamp gaskets over the pipe joint. Insert the clamp into the clamp seat at the bottom of the meter box, and gently pull to confirm it is locked in place. Place the meter box base underneath the water meter. Adjust the position of the clamp gasket to align with the clamp seat. Snap the clamp over the clamp gasket and press it firmly. Insert two M4*16 stainless steel self-tapping screws. Tighten them with an electric screwdriver to secure the clamp firmly. Place the meter box housing onto the base and press firmly at the joint. Check the bottom slot is fully engaged. It is recommended to add a lead seal at the seal holes on both sides of the meter box. Use the key to lock the meter box.